We've heard so many stories of healthcare workers lacking personal protective equipment. That issue motivated one local doctor to take something from the trash and turn it into a critical piece of medical gear. Sewing is something Tiffany Summer-Sheely has done for years.
I probably at one point even wanted to be a fashion designer, I think when I was a junior in high school.
But her career path went a different way. She's now a doctor at Methodist Women's Hospital, which caused her to notice an issue once the pandemic started.
We can't be part of the solution unless we stay well ourselves.
Nationwide, there's been shortages of personal protective equipment for doctors and nurses when they treat infected patients, including for isolation gowns.
An isolation gown, in effect, is a water-resistant gown that somebody wears to protect themselves from those respiratory droplets.
Tools used in operations come wrapped in a material called halyard. Once the tools are taken out, that fabric goes in the trash. Halyard was once considered to be used for face masks, and the fact that it was going in the garbage sparked an idea for Summer-Sheely.
Well, if it's water resistant enough to be used as an operating room mask, why couldn't we use it for an isolation gown?
She got her hands on some of those materials and brought back those fashion designer skills.
I went on the internet and found some patterns that were based on the existing isolation gowns that we had.
From there, the cutting and the sewing took place. Along with trial and error, these were the end result.
Those prototypes took a lot. I made 4 over an entire weekend, so I probably put in about 16 hours.
Now the gowns are much easier to make, which are coming at the right time as Nebraska awaits for the peak in COVID-19 cases.
We can still see increasing numbers for the next couple of weeks. We want to make sure that we're absolutely positively prepared.
And the gowns are durable enough to be washed and reused if needed. And a local group of quilters are volunteering their time to help put more of the gowns together.